girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing some more hair that I purchased from Juicy Hair Affair. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also comment down below because you guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. I see a lot of you are watching my videos. I would appreciate the support. So if you haven't done so already, I know I said it earlier, but subscribe now. We'll wait for a minute. Thank you. So let's just get right into the video. So as I mentioned to you guys before, I am actually wearing their hair currently. I have no complaints. It is definitely some of the softest hair that I have touched like ever. I mean, I went over a list of like my top hair companies and they are one of them. So like I said, if I wouldn't recommend something for myself, I'm not going to recommend something for you guys. So I purchased some of their blonde hair. So we're going to open up this package. Hopefully the struggle is not real. Nice and easy. But yeah, so I purchased some of their blonde hair. I did also purchase a frontal. Now I ordered this, I want to say like back in September. It's now Christmas Eve. This video hopefully will be up by the day after Christmas. But I purchased this back in September, I want to say. I'm going to put the date up here. You guys know how I do. And it took some time for the hair to come in. I know when I ordered it initially or inquired about it, she said she didn't have it in stock. It ended up taking a little bit longer than usual, which I didn't really mind. You know, good things come to those who wait. I did also purchase a frontal. Now, not sure if this is considered like, I guess it would be considered a trial for the frontal. She offered it in a tinted lace. And of course, you know, I'm not going to put my price up there because my price is different from your price. But I did still pay for these items with the exception of the frontal that she ended up refunding me just because she got the bundles way before she got the frontal. And I think she just felt bad. I told her she didn't have to, but like when I wake up sometimes I'm a little bit out of it. So I read messages in the order they come in and she offered a refund and I was like, no, you don't have to do the refund. By the time I got to my email, I saw that she had already given me the money back. So, I mean, I appreciate her because it's been like 3 months, but you know, I didn't really mind the wait. It wasn't a big deal for me. So, especially since I don't need any more hair. That's one. And blonde hair at that. So, I got her Indian curly. Now, this glue on this gold package is seriously trolling your girl. But yeah, so I got their, I want to say it's their Indian curly, and is what they do for their blonde hair. And I'm okay with it. I was a little bit skeptical for me, my own, you know, mental, a little skeptical for me, because I normally don't like to do curly hair. It's not really like my texture, as I mentioned to you guys. This is my texture. I love a body wave because then I feel as though you can curl it, you can wear it straight. For how I like to wear my hair, it's a little bit more versatile for me. However, I'm like, you know, maybe this is something that's going to get me out of my comfort zone. I've been seeing a lot of influencers on social media rocking curly blonde hair, and it's looked pretty cute, so I'm a little bit excited. The part I'm not excited about is making a wig with these nails. It'll happen though, because I have no other choice, because you guys know your girl's hair is natural. But let's just get right into it. Maybe I misunderstood. Okay. Maybe I misunderstood. So I only have the bundles here. I guess when she refunded me for the frontal, it's because I wasn't going to get the frontal. Or maybe I'm going to get it at a later date. I'm going to reach out to her. I'll probably put comments maybe down below in the comment section. But I only see 2 bundles of blonde hair here. I'm only going to open one because I don't see the point of opening any others. It's really just to test out the softness for you guys. Now, I wanted to, I'm a little disappointed. I do believe I misread it because, as I said before, I wake up and I'm a little bit tired. So I'm going to have to go back over those messages and double check with her. But I did definitely want to see how soft the blonde hair is in comparison to the black. I feel like I can't really judge it because it is a little bit damp. So one of the reasons why I wanted to hurry up and open this is because you guys know she offers a really great return policy. You know, you have 30 days to return it to get your money back. And I do have a couple of videos that I need to edit and put up on my channel. But I was like, you know what, let me just get this one out to you guys so that I can test it out. She does also give you what they offer in terms of the hair. And then also it lets you know that it's 100% unprocessed human hair directly imported from southern India. I'm going to open up the other bundle. As I stated before, this one is a little bit damp. Now, I know she was rushing to get it out to me. Again, I've been waiting a few months. The fact that I think it was shipped wet. This one is still also a little damp. And if you guys know, if you have hair that's damp and you try to finger comb it or do anything to it in the interim, what ends up happening is that it looks a little bit frizzy. Now, it looks good on camera. If I can get it up a little bit closer, maybe get my camera to focus, you guys will see where it looks a little bit frizzy. I mean, it's definitely soft. It's not as soft as the hair that's on my head, understandably so, because it has been lifted. Another thing that I did notice with the hair just sitting here, I know I've been a little bit distracted because I was expecting a frontal and I didn't get a frontal. Not necessarily for free, but I would have waited for the frontal. But I did notice that the hairs are breaking off, which is normal. Blonde hair, you are going to get a little bit more shedding. I have on black pants right now, so I feel it's a little bit more noticeable. I probably have maybe like, not full strands, or maybe like 20 little pieces of hair that's like broken off at the ends. Okay, so I just wanted to come back to you guys and give you guys a little bit of an update before the end of the video. I did actually go back and double check my DMs with Constance, who is the owner of Juicy Hair Affair. She did actually say that she was going to be waiting to send me the frontal. Not sure if I'm going to keep the hair still, just because it's... I assumed that maybe I was waiting to still get everything all at the same time. I wasn't aware, and it's not her, it's me, because I double checked it. She fully disclosed everything to me. I probably just read it in a rush and didn't notice that she said she was going to send me the bundles and wait for the frontal to come. So that is where we are at with that. So I will definitely give you guys maybe a short update once I reach out to her. More than likely this video will go out before that update, obviously, comes to you guys, and I will let you know, what I did with the hair. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.